What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and tonight we're actually trimming out all the windows. So far we've done drywall, I've painted everything last week, and now we want to go ahead and trim out all the windows in the bedroom, the living room, kitchen, and in the garage. So I'm actually in one of the bedrooms now. I want to trim out this window behind me. Again, if I can trim out this window, just rinse and repeat everywhere else except in the living room. That's going to get a little bit tricky. The windows aren't a perfect rectangles as these ones are. They kind of have a slant. They're a little bit different and unique, but so far I'm just going to tackle this one and we'll go from there. First things first, I actually need to figure out the jamb width. So I'm gonna take a tape measure and my handy dandy square, and I'm gonna go through each corner of the windows and mark it, have the square right here, and then mark each corner to see what the width is on all four corners. So I got 3 1/4 on the top, and then it goes all the way up to 3 1/8. Make a whole complete square for the jamb, and I'm gonna set it in there and get it lined up. So now you're gonna take your 3/4 inch piece of wood and measure the width, and then create a box as I did behind me. This bad boy. Then you're gonna place it on the actual window itself. You're gonna use this good old laser level, get it lined up with the laser on the bottom. If you do that, then the rest will fall in place. And we're gonna shoot it with some nails. Now that the jamb's set in place, let me show you what we got so far. It's about 1/2 inch all the way around is a gap. I'm gonna go ahead and use this window and door sealing foam that I got at Home Depot. Seal it up, and then we'll go ahead and make the frame for it. All right, so we'll give that foam a couple minutes to set up, but while we do, I'm gonna use this little tool to go ahead and set it at 1/4 inch. I want a 1/4 inch reveal all the way around and mark it on all 4 corners, and that's what I'm gonna take my measurement to when I build the face of the trim for the window. Just cut the 4 pieces of trim, just laying it out on the table right now to get an idea. And we'll start putting it together. I'm gonna use this Craig joiner and go ahead and drill in all the corners, and that will pull it all together with the screws, and we'll put this thing together. Now that the trim's all put together, let's go ahead and install it. So we're all finished. Was able to set it. It's a 1/4 inch reveal all the way around. Now we need to move into the living room. That'll be another video, so stay tuned for that. Again, I'm not a finished carpenter at all. I just enjoy doing the trim work. There's some areas, again, the miters aren't as tight as I like them to be, but again, a little bit of Bondo and caulk paint, you'll never notice the difference. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.